Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another Ipsy Glam Bag Plus video. This features March and April. Holy shit to being behind. Jumping right into it, for those of you that don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription service, so for 25 bucks a month you get 5 beauty products sent to you, and you get to pick 3 of the 5 products. You have access to add-ons, and of course there are random Ipsy flash sales. You get some bundles for a stupid low price, and of course there's always some kind of sale going on. Anyway, there's a bunch of other stuff that Ipsy offers. If that's something that you're interested in, check down in the description box for my referral link, because I get points. That's all, I just get points. Apologies for this coming so late, but you know what, there's been a lot of life changes going on, and it is what it is. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. So the March Glam Bag Plus, I am really liking this like little sack. You got all sorts of people of different shapes and colors on here. I really like these bags a lot better. You can actually put shit in there, and yeah, so that's cool. Jumping right into it, I'm not going to talk about this, but the It Cosmetics brush, that will be featured in a segment that I will be inserting later on in the video. Next, I have a frickin' cleanser, the Koa Life Vit-C Brightening Cleanser. This is valued at $30. Oh, removes dirt, excess oil, and makeup, helps fade dark spots, reduce signs of aging while protecting the skin from environmental damage with a dose of antioxidant-rich vitamin C. Vegan, cruelty-free. Really excited to try that one out. I'm not sure if I've had this one before. I know I've had the cleanser, so this is kind of neat, but this is the PURLISSE Beauty Blue Lotus Balancing Moisturizer, valued at $45. Smoothest, lightweight lotions you've ever felt. Infused with blue lotus, white tea, vitamin E, and French marine plants. Deeply hydrates skin, plumps fine lines and wrinkles, blah blah blah. Really looking forward to that one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was just the cleanser that I ended up using. Wow, we are ready for some moisture now, let me tell ya. I've not heard of this brand before. Air Repair Skincare Complexion-Boosting Moisturizer, valued at $23. No matter your skin type, hydrates and revitalizes the driest and dullest complexions. Combo of antioxidants like cloudberry seed oil and green tea rejuvenates stressed out skin. Yo, where was this a fucking couple months ago? Oh wait, in my bag because I didn't film. Never mind. Super excited for this. This is my third type of lotion by this brand, the Cela Creme de la Creme, valued at $30. Velvety cream, treat your hands and body to intense moisture. The fuck is that? Something citrus scent. I guess I'm not gonna try that on because I don't feel like opening it. Tim will be happy to see that there. I know he likes that brand a lot, at least whatever. This was an add-on. Oh yeah, something. I don't fucking know. Leave-in conditioner. Detangle, protect, minimize frizz and flyaways, and some shit. Really looking forward to that one. I've been getting a lot of random hair stuff. You'd think my hair would look better. It doesn't. It's fine. These are the items for my March glam bag. I wish I was prepared for my April glam bag. Very springy looking bag. I'm pretty freaking stoked. So at this point I will insert the footage of the try-on. Alright, here's the little insert segment. So, I'm all moisturized and trying a new primer today. This is the PIXI by Petra Flawless Beauty Primer, valued at $22. Combo of vitamins A, C, and E. Improves look of skin by soothing rough texture, plumping fine lines to create perfect canvas for long-wearing makeup. Does it say that it's tinted? It just says it's glowing. Almost looks tinted though. Yeah, we will see. Oh wow. I mean, maybe... Sorry, Peach is freaking the fuck out. It's nice outside. You think he's neglected. He's fucking not. He's spoiled. He's fine. Yeah, so very, like, cover effects, like, Tin Man vibes. Alright, y'all. This is clean. Oh, yeah. She's tinted as a motherfucker. I don't know if the camera picked that up very well. Oh, there you go. I guess keep that in mind. It's a good thing summer months are coming. So, foundation for today. The Laura Geller Quench-n Tint Hydrating Foundation in Light. Valued at $34. Think of it as a moisturizer meets foundation. Hydrating formula. Infused with hyaluronic acid. Refreshing. Even natural glow. Blah, blah, blah. So both of these items, just as a reminder, are from the April Glam bag. I will be blending this foundation in with a brush from March. Oh, she comes out thin. Quench-n Tint in Light. So I have a brush, which is weird. Like, part of me doesn't even want to use it just because I've been on like this beauty blender kick lately and it's just easier. But anyway, it's the It Cosmetics Heavenly Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush number 704. Jesus Christ. Valued at $48. Whoever in the right mind would pay $48 for a fucking brush is absolutely insane. Innovative angled brush instantly improves the look of your skin upon application. I cannot talk. Beautiful results. Bristles that are infused with anti-aging collagen, silk peptides, niacin, and antioxidants, whatever. Okay, so that's how you're trying to justify $48 for a fucking brush. I definitely see why they said this meets a moisturizer, because this is definitely thin as fuck. I don't want to cake this on today. I really don't. I don't think this is something that should be caked on. I am going to add some concealer and whatnot. Yeah, this might be my like July color. It says it's light. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, this might be a July color, which is fine. Whatever. But anyway, back to the rest of the shit. And welcome back. Okay, so the other things in this month's bag, the Gakis, whatever, number 7 collection, valued at $30. This brush set. I did use this brush set today in my third look for my 3 looks 1 palette video of my Life's a Drag. There's really nothing to read about these, but they're really great brushes. Juice Beauty Prebiotix Instant Flash Facial. Valued at $52. It's a face exfoliator, so another exfoliator. Holy shit. Dull, dehydrated skin will love the glow boosting effects of this treatment mask. Exfoliates with what the fuck is ahas? Plant beads, brightens with vitamin C, rich lime, caviar, and contains... No one knows what any of this shit means, okay? So, like, it's an exfoliator. It has some shit in it, and okay. Mask City. Mask City is back. It's a sign that I need to use more. Okay. The PURLISSE Beauty Blue Lotus and Seaweed Treatment Sheet Mask Set, pack of 6. Valued at $36. Infused with seaweed extract. Helps hydrate plump, smooth, thirsty skin. Minimizes redness and blah, blah, blah. Another eyeshadow brush set. The SHAINA B Miami brush set, valued at $60. Whatever, soft synthetic bristles. And that's basically all there is to know. These will be gifted, so huzzah bitches. And then an add-on, Peach Papaya Mask Sheet Duo. Oh, hit the reset button on your skin. Exfoliates, moisturizes, leave your skin glowing, remove dead skin cells, blah, blah, blah. Awesome. So yeah, I definitely need a mask soon. Yeah, so that was an add-on. The Laura Geller foundation was an add-on as well, which I forgot to say. And also as a follow-up to the previous Ipsy video with missing brushes. They're all here. I know I included that in the video and in the description box and whatever, but I just wanted to like show them off. Like, guess what, bitches? They's in my hand. Why are you asking me about my beauty quiz? I don't know! Finally at the end of this video. Again, I apologize for the delay, but you know what? Life happens, and hopefully from here forward it won't be that big of a delay. I don't know, I feel like I've said that before, but here we are. It is what it is. Anyway, so if Ipsy is something that you are curious to try, definitely check out that link in the description box down below. And of course, thanks for sticking around. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and until the next one.